Raising a child on the autism spectrum, sabi nga nila, the family comes first. And in every family, ang puso niyan, siyempre nanay. Etong anak mo ay mayroong mga challenges na dapat i-address. Pagkikick in talaga yung pagiging mother mo, which is being a woman. Unti-unti, with the support of organizations like SM Cares, nararating natin yung tinatawag nating Autism OK Philippines. Ang proudest moment ko would be yung moment na tinatanggap ko from the Prime Minister of Singapore, the first ASEAN Prize. Ni-recognize yung work not just for the Philippines, it's about the appreciation, accommodation, and acceptance ng ating mga anak na kagaya ng anak ko. So nakakatuwa that through an event like the Angels Walk for Autism, napapagsama-sama mo yung buong PWD sector. Para lang siyang pinaka-celebration for every year, for every milestone, for every program and service that we introduce or we continue, we maintain through the years. To the women of tomorrow, na alam ko, you are so actively enjoying and pursuing yung mga gusto mo sa buhay. I hope every night, no, before you sleep, find a quiet place and ask Him, meron ba siyang mission for you?